Strike while the iron is hot, a guide to seizing opportunities. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a powerful phrase, strike while the iron is hot. It's a saying that holds a wealth of wisdom, especially when it comes to making decisions and taking action. So, grab your notebook, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. The phrase, strike while the iron is hot, originates from the blacksmithing process. Imagine a blacksmith shaping iron. The iron must be heated until it's glowing red hot, making it malleable. At this moment, the blacksmith strikes it with a hammer to shape it. The key here is timing. If the iron cools down, it becomes hard again and cannot be shaped. This phrase metaphorically applies to our lives, suggesting that we should take advantage of opportunities as soon as they arise. Waiting too long could mean losing the chance to act effectively. Timing is everything. This phrase teaches us the value of recognizing when the moment is right and taking decisive action. In life, just like in blacksmithing, opportunities can be fleeting. Being able to identify the hot moments, when conditions are perfect for success, is a skill that can lead to great achievements. Consider job opportunities, personal projects, or learning new skills. If there's a moment when everything aligns, and you feel a strong inclination to act, that's your hot iron. Don't hesitate, strike. Applying strike while the iron is hot in our daily lives means staying alert and ready. It involves preparation, so when opportunities come, we're ready to seize them. It's about not letting fear of failure hold us back. Instead, we embrace the moment with confidence and action. Whether it's applying for a job, starting a business, or even confessing feelings to someone you care about, the right moment might be fleeting. Recognize it, and go for it. Strike while the iron is hot is more than just an old saying. It's a call to action. It reminds us to be vigilant, prepared, and courageous. Opportunities might not come twice, so it's crucial to act when the time is right. We hope this video inspires you to take bold steps towards your goals. Remember, the perfect moment won't wait for you, so make the most of it when it arrives. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.